Hi everyone and welcome to Goals, Gray and Growth. Have you ever felt like you set a goal, start strong, but then life happens and before you know it, that goal is collecting dust? Forget willpower. What you need is a deep, unshakable why. And today you're going to discover yours. My name is Sabrina Cadini. I'm your holistic precision life and wellness coach and the creator of the Life Work Balance System, helping you live better, work smarter, and feel happier by prioritizing yourself with customized lifestyle changes. If you're ready to grow with me, set inspiring goals, and witness transformation, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you will never miss new content from me. Today, we're talking about the driving force behind every transformation, your why. It's that deeper purpose behind your goals. And when you connect with that purpose, doubts don't stop you. Think about it. What keeps someone training for a marathon when it's cold and rainy outside? What helps an entrepreneur push through rejection? It's not just motivation, it's meaning. Neuroscience shows that when we link our goals to a strong emotional driver, the brain releases dopamine, reinforcing our commitment and making us more resilient to setbacks. That's why finding your why is not optional when setting your goals. It's the foundation of success in pretty much anything you do. To make this practical, here are 4 ways to help you discover your why on a deeper level. First, the 7 levels deep exercise. Have you ever noticed how young children constantly ask why over and over again? As parents, it can drive us crazy. I remember those times. But for them, it's an incredible way to learn. They're naturally curious and instinctively know that real understanding comes from digging deeper. So you can apply the same strategy to find the true motivation behind your goals. Start by asking yourself, why do I want this goal? Whatever your answer is, ask again. But why is that important? And keep going 7 times. By the last round, you will likely discover something deeply emotional, something that connects to your core values. This is the kind of why that keeps you committed, especially when challenges arise. Second, reverse future visualization. Now, manifestation is powerful. When you believe you already have what you want, you shift your mindset from scarcity to possibility. But when setting goals, it's also important to look at the other side analytically. So instead of only visualizing success, picture your future self and the life you will have if you don't take action. What opportunities did you miss? What regrets do you have? Sometimes realizing what's at stake can be the biggest motivator, and it creates a deep emotional drive to move forward. Third, the emotional compass check-in. Since your emotions are powerful indicators of what truly matters to you, take a moment to feel them and ask yourself, when do I feel the most alive, energized, or fulfilled? And on the other hand, what drains me, frustrates me, or makes me feel stuck? Your why is often hiding in those emotional highs and lows. The moments of deep joy can reveal what you were meant for, while frustration or dissatisfaction can guide you where change is needed. And fourth, turn your why into a daily anchor. Once you have discovered your deeper motivation, Create a single powerful sentence or statement that captures your purpose. Then make it visible in your daily life. Turn it into an affirmation or a mantra you repeat each morning. Set it as your phone wallpaper or write it on a sticky note and keep it at your desk. This constant reinforcement keeps your why front and center, helping you manifest your goal by aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with what you truly want. All right, so now let's talk about my gray hair transition, month 2. And something unexpected is happening. When I used to color my hair dark brown, all I could see were gray or white roots. It was driving me crazy. But now that my hair is a lighter brown, even though it looks a bit brassy under these lights, instead of seeing gray roots, I'm actually seeing darker roots. So it turns out my hair is not as gray as I thought. It's more of a mix, right? Can you see that? On my temples, I can say I have almost 100% white. But the rest of my head, maybe 50, 60, 70%. It's still too early to figure that out, but now I officially have rainbow hair, as you can see. Dark brown at the ends, medium brassy brown in the middle, and a whole spectrum of grays coming in at the roots. So I am thinking, just thinking, about darkening this mid-length area to create a more blended, consistent look. But I don't really want to color my hair anymore. My original decision was to stop, go cold turkey, and just be patient with the process. So, what do you guys think? I guess for now I will just wait, maybe a couple more months, see how everything evolves, and decide from there. And thinking about the topic for this month, finding your why, every time that I reconnect with my deeper why, which is the desire to show my real me by letting my natural hair grow out, it keeps me going. And I have to say, I'm loving this journey. So I would like you to take a moment to reflect. Why does the goal you're working towards this year truly matter to you? I encourage you to write it down for clarity and focus. And if you're comfortable, share it in the comments. I would love to hear about your journey. If you want to go deeper on your goal setting and self growth, my New Year, New You workshop is the perfect next step. We'll dive into the psychology of motivation, creating sustainable habits, and crafting a roadmap for success. I also offer customized versions of this workshop for companies and organizations, addressing specific challenges and needs to create a more productive and harmonious workplace. You can learn more about the workshop at the link in the description box below, or if you're looking for support beyond goal setting, you can schedule a free clarity call to discuss your unique challenges. My coaching programs are designed to help you optimize or upgrade different areas of your life. So let me help you achieve the success you deserve. If you found this video helpful, tap the like button and subscribe for more goal setting strategies. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to live life fully. See you in my next video.